Good morning, class. What do you see in front, Irish? Very good. So I have here a word chart with unfamiliar words, and we will be identifying their meaning through structural analysis. I will read each word and repeat after me. Inseparable. Careless. Bereaved. Peaceful. Very good. Now, we will be identifying the meaning of these words by analyzing its structure. Structural analysis is the process of breaking words down into their basic parts to determine word meaning. Structural analysis is a powerful vocabulary tool since knowledge of a few word parts can give you clues to the meaning of a large number of words. Can you read the sentence in front, Diane? Thank you so much, Diane. So Anna and Peter are good friends. They are inseparable. The unfamiliar word in the sentence is inseparable. But what does inseparable mean? So try to close your eyes, alright? Everyone close your eyes. And imagine your good friend. What do you usually do with your good friend? Can you think of something now? Alright, let's open your eyes. Jeneline, can you tell the class what you usually do with your good friend? Wow! So Jeneline and her good friend Sam ride a bike or stroll the park together. How about you, Arnie? What do you usually do with your good friend? That is very nice. Eating snacks together at the canteen is indeed common among good friends. Some friends go to school together and others study their lessons together. Now, let us analyze the structure of the word inseparable. This word will be divided into three. First, we have in. Second, we have separate. And third, we have able. Let us begin with in. In is an example of a prefix. And in means not. So what is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word, and it changes the meaning of the word. Examples of prefixes are re, which means again, like reread. Over, which means too much, like oversleep. So can you try to use the word reread in a sentence, Jean? Very good. And Jean, what does that mean? Perfect. So Jean said that she loves to reread her favorite storybook, which is about Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. That means that Jean loves to keep on reading again and again her favorite storybook. Perfect. Next, we have the word separate. Separate means to break into parts or to keep apart. For example, if my hands are together and I want to separate them, then I'll have to do this. Alright, my hands are already separated, which means that they are not together. In the word inseparable, separate is called a root word. But class, what are root words? A root word is a word or word part that can form the basis of new words through addition of prefixes and suffixes. Many of the words that we use in our daily language come from a root word. And once you pull off or remove any prefix and suffix, the root word is usually what remains. The third part is a peaceful. Able means able to be done or something that you can do. Able in the word inseparable is called a suffix. So what are suffixes? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the ending of words to change their meaning or function. Examples of suffixes are less. Less means lack of or without, like from the word careless. Another example of a suffix is full. Full means full of, like beautiful or peaceful. So can you try to use the word careless in a sentence, Jessa? Alright, what does that mean, Jessa? Okay, so Jessa said that she always tries not to be careless or else her mother will be mad at her. Careless means lack of care or without care. Now, can you try to use the word peaceful in a sentence, Jessica? Very good. Thank you so much, Jessica. So Jessica said that the sea is peaceful. The waves are very calm. Now let's try to close our eyes and imagine what Jessica said. So we are at the beach. The waves are very calm. So we see these tiny waves. And indeed, the sea is peaceful. What could peaceful probably mean? Yes, can you share your opinion, Irish? That is right. Very good, Irish. It means that the sea is full of peace. When you thought of the word peaceful, did you imagine this? Or was this the one that you imagined? Alright, so definitely this one. Prefixes and suffixes in general are called affixes. An affix is a set of letters generally added at the beginning or end or both on a root word to modify the meaning of the word. Many English words are formed by taking basic words and adding combinations of prefixes and suffixes to them. Now I've got a trivia for you. Do you know that most affixes are derived from common Latin and Greek roots? That is right. Here are some examples. We have aqua. Aqua is a Latin word for water, like aquarium, where we put the fish, and aquamarine. We also have the word bio. Bio is a Greek word that means life, like biology, or the study of life, or biography. So class, we have discussed about root words and affixes, which are prefix and suffix, and have learned how to determine a word's meaning using structural analysis. So let's have a quick recap. So what are root words, Julie, and where can we find them? Very good. Root words are word parts that can form the basis of new words through the addition of prefixes and suffixes. And it can be found anywhere, either at the beginning, the middle, or the end. Lizelle, please tell us 2 types of affixes and please define each. Perfect. So an affix is a set of letters generally added to the beginning or end of a root word to modify its meaning. Its 2 types are prefix and suffix. So these 2 are a set of letters or a group of letters added to the ending of words to change their meaning or function. So how can we successfully determine the meaning of an unknown word using structural analysis? Yes, Mary Grace. Great. We can successfully determine the meaning of a word through structural analysis by first identifying the word parts. So we have the root word, the prefix, and the suffix. Alright, so why is it important to learn about root words and affixes, Renalyn? Very good, Renalyn. It is indeed very important because it helps us to analyze specific unknown words that we may encounter, and it helps us to determine the meaning of these words. This will allow us to better understand other people. So now we will have a class activity, and we will divide the class into 3 groups. This will be Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Each group will be given a situation wherein they have to create a short role play where they should use at least 5 words that uses prefixes and suffixes. Alright, so first we have the criteria. First we have understanding of the topic, 40%. That would be reflected on the conversation, on how you're going to use the words with affixes on them. Second, we have teamwork, which is 30%, so you really have to work together and cooperate. Third is presentation, that is how you present your role play in front, that would be 30%, a total of 100%. So I will be providing you now your situation. Alright, so I am giving you 10 minutes to prepare. Amazing performance, everybody. Let us give ourselves a pat on the back for a job well done. So I have here a short worksheet to see what you have learned today. Alright? Okay, so the direction says choose the correct word from the box to complete the sentences below. And make sure to write the correct answer on the blank spaces provided. I'm giving you 5 minutes to answer 5 questions. Alright?